Okay, today's topic is about websites and why you should use WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is an open source software which enables you to quickly create websites by using themes and plugins which will modify your themes and therefore will make it easier to simply create websites and to adjust them to your use case. So the reasons why you should use a website and build one is that it can increase your influence, which means that your influence should grow if your website is well optimized for the search engine and therefore can be easily found by people that are interested in the topics you discuss on your website. It will increase your credibility. For example, if you're known as an expert in any kind of field, people can search up your name and will find a professional website. When they find you, you should create organic growth. So your website will be online 24/7, which means that at any time persons can find you and therefore can communicate and tell other people about your presence and your website. And it will save you a lot of time because you can simply implement important information on your website as well as contact information. And it is a tool to improve your communication with clients or people that are interested in the topics you discuss on your website. And therefore you can, for example, easily put updates in form of posts on your website so everybody that follows you and your content is quickly informed whenever there's a change. As I stated on the first slide, I recommend using WordPress simply because programming a manual website takes a lot of time and is something for someone who really wants to learn about programming languages. And I want to show you that it's simple and you can do it without a lot of knowledge. And I will teach you how you can do it, how it's done, and what you have to do to make a simple site with WordPress, which will fulfill a lot of criteria which is needed to have a successful website. So what is important about WordPress is that there are different kind of themes. Many people on the internet, especially on YouTube, will recommend themes that are costly and are not very efficient. What do I mean by that? Well, simply spoken, a theme has a few criteria why it is a good theme or not a good theme. First of all, Google as a search engine prefers websites that are lightweight and are state-of-the-art. And the best support you can have with a WordPress site is by using an original theme which is made by WordPress. That means that these themes are actually free to use, and I will show you how you can modify the current theme of 2022 and so you're directly up to date and you don't have to pay anything for themes. Many tutorials on YouTube will show you how you can modify a specific theme. Sometimes these themes are outdated or they cost a lot or they are only good for special use cases. So I recommend that you follow my tutorials and I will show you how to adjust them manually with a few tricks. I will go step by step so it won't be too quickly and you can easily follow the process. Then what is important about a theme is the price, because it can be that your use case includes specific things. For example, if you want to have a website that is actually some kind of shop and you need therefore a lot of implementations, then it might be better actually to have a theme that is specialized just to sell products to customers, because there are limits to modifying a theme, because at some point it would make more sense to purchase a theme which is more fitting for your specific use case. But if you want to create a blog or a website that represents your company or offer to create websites for other people and therefore need a website or whatever, then I think I can show you how you can do it. To summarize the presented information, first, it is beneficial for you if you have your own website, either if you want to represent a company or you as a specialist. Second, there are two ways to create a website. The first way is to manually program a lot of files and combine them so they can build a frame for a website. That requires a lot of knowledge about different programming languages and how they interact with each other. The second way to create a website is to use an open source software, and I recommend WordPress because it is a lightweight open source software which provides official themes which are lightweight as well and therefore are able to perform well in Google search results. A A lot of professionals also use WordPress to provide solutions for their clients and sell WordPress websites, which perform well according to Google search results. If you have a specific use case for your website, for example, a shop which should sell a lot of products, then a customized theme might be the better option. But for most use cases, it will be totally sufficient to use a website which uses an official WordPress theme. Another advantage of the official WordPress themes are that they're usually frequently updated, and if you use the current theme, you use technology which is state of the art. So I'm looking forward to teach you how you can adjust the current WordPress theme and create a website to your liking.